Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sicilian Chess. In today's chess video, I am going to show you three amazing opening reps in the Sicilian defense. I will be showing you three unbelievable games where some really strong players lost in the opening. Let's check it out. Our first rep, which is set up by white in the open Sicilian. Okay, let's go to the rep number 1. Okay, hello everyone, this is rep number 1 in Sicilian defense. First rep called sveshnikov rep, open Sicilian. In this particular chess game, white wins by checkmate in 11 moves only. You can see how to white won by checkmate. This is rep number 1. First move is white 10. White played his pawn to e4, then c5. This is called Sicilian defense. Then knight f3. Okay. Now you can see the second move of black. Black pushed his knight to c6. Then pawn go to d4. Now you can see here, this knight attack this pawn in the same time, this pawn attack this one. What white has two defender, one is queen, other one is knight. We will see how to handle this much black. Black pawn take the pawn, then knight cross d4, then knight go to f6. Now you can see here another knight. The black knight attack this pawn. That's why this knight go to c3 here and defend the pawn. We will see knight go to c3 and e5. Now attack the knight by the black pawn. Then knight go to bd5. Okay. Now we will see the sixth move of black. Black pawn go to d6. Okay. Now another idea of white. White knight go to d5. This is the best move white did. Now you can see here is a fork here. If he move like this and fork can cut the rook. That's why we will see how to handle this much white. No, sorry, black. Black push his knight and cut the knight. Knight goes d5. Then pawn take the knight. Now attack the knight by the white pawn. That's why this knight go to e7, go back to e7, then c4. Okay, we will see how to handle this much black. Now black go to pawn go to a6 and attack the knight. We will see how to handle this much white. Okay, now you can see if queen go to there, this is the beautiful move. If he cannot cut like this, because there is under attack to rook, we will see one by one. Now queen go to f4, then discovered check we will make. If he played it like this, that's it. Now you can see how to handle this much white. White pawn take the knight. Knight take the pawn and beautiful checkmate. Okay, that's it. This rep, first rep. Okay, we can go to the rep number 2 in Sicilian defense. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Sicilian Chess. This is rep number 2 in Sicilian defense Alapin variation. Let's go to the moves. e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Then c5. Then knight f3. Then d6. Then c3, then knight f6. Now bishop go to e2, then knight go to c6, then pawn go to d4. Now attack the pawn by the pawn and knight. Then pawn take the pawn, then pawn take the pawn, then knight take the pawn, then beautiful attack. Keep push the pawn to d5. Now so many attack here. You can see how to attack this particular chess game. White win the game. If he move like this knight go to there or there, we will easily check, and here is a check and there is a fork and attack the rook, knight. Okay, we will see one by one. Another move, queen come to here, check. Now black the check with the knight. Okay, then knight cross c3, then pawn take the c3, then knight come to here. In this case, then 10th move, knight cross e5. Okay, now cut the knight, why the knight, then pawn take the knight, then castling, beautiful castling make white. Then black push the pawn to here on g6. Okay, now pawn come to g6, then rook come to b1. Then now black turn, black push his bishop to g7. Then another move, he push the pawn to d6, then pawn take the pawn, then queen cross d6. This is better move of white, because you can see here this rook could attack this line, and if he make a check and there is a check, okay, he will bring the rook here and support to queen. This king cannot castling. That's why this game so many advantage has, black white has so many advantage. That's why this game easily win white. Okay, let's go to the wrap number 3. Okay, hello everyone, welcome to Sicilian Chess. This is wrap number 3 in Sicilian Defense. Wrap in delayed Alapin. Okay, variation. We will see how to white win the game. This particular chess game we will see. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4, c5, knight f3, d6, c3, knight c6. Okay, then white decided to push his bishop pawn to d4. Now bishop come to here on g4 and pin the knight. That's why white pushed his pawn to here on d5. Then knight come to here and attack the knight. Okay, now we will see up to candle. Knight take the knight and bishop take the queen. Then bishop go to there and beautiful check. In this particular chess game, black need to only way he need to black the check with this queen. We will see if black the check queen, then bishop take the queen by queen. Okay, bishop take the queen, black queen is gone, then king come to d8. Now beautiful move make, he cut the pawn, then he take and king take. That's it. In one move the rook is wrapped now. Okay, if he move like this or he goes like this, then wrap the rook. Totally this game white has so many advantage, so many pieces. That's why this game easily win white. Okay, that's it today video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you, bye bye, God bless everyone, thank you, bye.